Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Facebook account permanently on mobile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook and log in your account. Then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to scroll down until you find an option of account ownership and control. Click on that option, and here you can see the second option, deactivation and deletion. Click on that option, and then you need to select the two options, deactivate your account, delete account. Then you need to click on delete account, click on continue to account deletion, and here you need to give the reason, that is I spend too much time on Facebook. And then you need to click on continue to account deletion. Once you click on that, your account will be deleted. So this is the process by which you can delete Facebook account permanently on mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.